Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I just wanted to show you a few more things that I picked up within the last few weeks. Last few weeks and last weekend when it was super hot. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with H&M. I picked up these look-alike Birkenstocks, black. These come in 4 colors. They come in white, gold, these black ones, and it comes in a pattern also. So also, because I've worn them quite a few times, they are very comfortable, and I believe they were $30.99. So yeah, so if you are looking for a comfortable dupe, pick those up from H&M. Also, I picked up this dress. They have it in the store. I seen it a few days ago. It's this long maxi dress, and it has, I haven't worn it yet, this ruffled detailing, such pretty colors, with these little straps, a little bit of elastic back here. This is a size small. Some of H&M's items, they run, I would say, a bit larger. Normally I'm a medium, but this dress is perfect in the size small. So I paid $32.99. There's, I guess you could scan that QR code, or maybe not. Anyhow, yeah, but it's in the store. Just saw it on the weekend. It's one of their new items. It goes right down to the floor, I guess. I'm 5'3", so it fits perfect. It's just maybe 2 inches before the floor. Yeah. Next item I picked up from H&M is this black linen shirt. I already wore this. It's a short sleeve button up. So just like that. This I did get in a medium. Just wanted it a little bit longer. It is cropped. It does come, I did see it in a sort of linen color, like a beige color. I'm just buttoning it up so I can show it to you a bit better. Very comfortable when it was hot this past Sunday. And I'm in Toronto, Canada, for anyone that's watching outside of Canada. Also, pricing is probably different throughout, but yeah, so that's what it looks like, and it is cropped, and there is a pair of black linen shorts, so you could very well do a set. I didn't get them, wasn't sure about the fit on those shorts. Also, well, this I would have got about a month ago. I got this black vest from H&M. This one was, or is, $19.99. They may still have this. This will look great with a pair of jeans, sort of a nice casual look. It's 3 buttons on the vest. I'm just gonna also button this one up. So that's what that looks like. Again, I got this in a medium. It's a nice fit, and it does look great with jeans, or if you have a long maxi skirt, this would also look really good. And there's the price. So those are the items I picked up from H&M. I think that's all I got from H&M. Next, I purchased some things from Gap Outlet. This sweater, this little striped sweater, was under $40. As you know, stripes are a big fashion staple this year. It's cotton, and I think I paid $34.99. So you can check your neighborhood Gap outlet. Also, because it's hot, I also picked up this little tank top. I mean, you can get these anywhere, but I got a size medium, and I believe I paid under $10. So that's the tag, because they're having a sale or a discount. I don't know if it was 50 off. So yeah, just a good basic. You can put this with a long maxi skirt, denim shorts, any shorts, because it's a basic. It's black. It'll go with everything. And it's cotton. It's a cotton stretch, so it probably has like lycra or something in it, without me reading this, because I've been in retail a long time and you can just tell by the fabric what it is. Or like a cotton spandex blend. Nice and comfortable, but holds its shape. Also on the weekend I went to Old Navy. Again, some really good deals. It was really hot on the weekend. I purchased this white tank top. Has a sort of the scalping on the bottom. Really flattering, really nice. I got this in a size medium, and I think I only paid like $10. So Old Navy for a few basics. Nice fit. They also had 50 off their swimsuits, and I just got the top because I like wearing a boy short bathing suit bottom, so, but I like having colorful tops. I got this bathing suit top. Was regular $29.99. I got a large. Maybe could have sized down to a medium, but comfort first. It's okay. It's a nice triangle shape. And this one, it says $29.99, but they had 50 off their bathing suits on Saturday, this past Saturday. So today is April 18th, so a few days ago. This does come in some other colors, I think basic black. And you can get the bottoms, and it's this really nice fabric. And then I thought I'd get some pajamas because it was really hot, and it's cooler now, but obviously eventually we're headed into, you know, the warmer months. But I got these boxer shorts for sleeping, and I think they were only $10. There's a tag for that. So very comfortable, easy, great for lounging. And I also got this, they didn't have the matching top in my size. This is a size large. I like to get larges in some of these more fitted tops. And there's the size, and I think this one was only about $13. Again, this is a sleep top. It came in the stripe, the blue stripe, and the green stripe. They had the green stripe shorts for sleeping, but I mean, you can obviously lounge in them. And so yeah, so it's this orange like pattern, citrus pattern, with the background color being a peachy pink, I guess. Adjustable straps. You can adjust the length of the strap, and then this ruching detail at the back for comfort. And yeah, it's just a little like bralette for sleeping. Great for when it's like, you know, 26 and hot in the house or your home, your apartment. So yeah, those are the things that I picked up from Old Navy, Gap, and H&M. So yeah, and all these items are in stock because I just picked them up recently. The only thing that you may have a problem finding is maybe the vest, because you know they always launch their collections I notice usually on Thursdays, so there's always a new collection coming out. Maybe not every Thursday, but usually it's on a Thursday. So yeah, guys, I hope you got some inspiration from these items. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like.